DGNX token launching on the Avalanche blockchain tomorrow, and today's Moneybag alert. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure that bell notification is lit. We have a hot one right here, possible moonshot. Of course, not financial advice, but we're going to dive right in. We got DGNX. We grow our power together, we grow our assets together, and we're going to grow together as a community. We got DGNX is a multi-chain ecosystem that offers a suite of decentralized application, aka dApps, and services to provide solutions for projects and individuals in the DeFi space. So we're going to be talking a lot about utilities today. I'm very bullish on this. Like I said, the launch is tomorrow on the Avalanche network, so you're going to have that seed chain Avax ready. DeFi is the future of finance with new ideas being developed every day. DegenX is pioneering new protocols and tools for both project developers and DeFi holders. In order for DeFi to reach a point of critical mass adoptions, individuals should be able to participate in a space where they know investments isn't vulnerable to bad actors. And we're going to do that through education. That's why we have this channel. And it's something that we're going to have to continue to push on and grow on. And we're going to see how DegenX plans to do that right here. We got Degen ecosystem promotes safety and education, exactly what I said above, drives innovation, and provides valuable services for all participants. Our utilities, coupled with the DAO, gives holders of DGNX the power to help shape the future of crypto. Just want to state really quick that DGNX has a ring to it, and I really like the sound of that. And I'm a big advocate of promoting safety and education because it will drive innovation and it will provide valuable services when we start to talk to each other and network with ideas on how we can provide this. And this is how DGNX plans to do this. We got a DGNX swap. A DEX is a decentralized exchange with user-friendly tools across EVM-compatible networks in DeFi. That's huge right there. DEX will be built on a decentralized AMM system to enable seamless crypto trades across multiple chains. So if you guys are bullish on DGNX, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, have that bell notification lit, because we will be seeing videos of me using these utilities as they start to roll out. The DGNX token is a cryptocurrency token that powers the DegenX ecosystem. It is backed by its base asset, providing token with an ever-increasing intrinsic base value in combination with on-chain DAO governance. So that's that DGNX token being the governance token for this whole ecosystem, and it's going to help provide, an ever-increasing price floor. And we'll see that when we break down the tokenomics, how it's going to do that. A community of DGNX token holders govern the DGNX ecosystem, thus becoming true owners of project. We present an alternative to the centralized organization on all levels, including structure, how they operate, and how the decision making happens. This is something I'm very bullish on, and I like that this is part of this ecosystem, and I'm sure the community, as this utility comes out, will also be very grateful for this, because I believe in cross-pollination with other projects and other chains, and I believe a bridge is how you do that. So the DegenX bridge integrates blockchains to let individuals and projects more freely between chains. Expand your project across Ethereum, the Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and Phantom networks. So this is going to be pretty big, and we'll talk about the supply and whatnot. But imagine as it continues to grow, the supply continues to decrease. We have that intrinsic value, increasing price floor right there. Once we start to launch on different chains, and that total supply starts to shrink. We have Locker is the most advanced multi-chain token locker on the blockchain. It locks liquidity, developer tokens, or your own tokens in a few simple steps. With our process is easy, fast, and secure, and includes options that are unique, such as contract-based unlocking by voting. That's something very cool right there. I like that we can unlock that by the votes, and this is a real DAO right here, a decentralized autonomous organization. This is where you have a voice and a vote of what you guys want to happen with this ecosystem. We have next is the staking for all the stakers out there. We got DegenX StakeX smart contract. It's multi-chain staking contract for DGNX token or for any other project which wants to add a staking protocol to their project. So that's a utility and also a product that DGNX, the DegenX token ecosystem, will provide to other projects. That's very bullish news, because that doubles down on that cross-pollination right there. So not only are you providing this staking protocol for everybody, also providing a bridge, more people are going to continue to find out about this DGNX token that, it's going to shake up the DeFi space. Factor is what's next. Let's see. Yeah. We got the security and innovation within StakeX, make it one of a kind in the crypto one of a kind in the blockchain world. Okay, didn't want to miss that. We got Factor. DegenX Factor is blockchain services for other projects willing to implement unique features of having token with intrinsic value, ever-increasing price floor of the token to bring security and sustainability to their holders. So another product that they're going to be offering as far as that goes with its blockchain services. So I'm sure a lot more of this will be rolled out as we continue to move forward. The NFTs. Now, before I read these NFTs, let's take a peek at these NFTs really quick. And we can see, it matches. We got Degens with one eye open, probably staying up late, drooling. I'm not sure if this is gold, but we got candlestick tattoos. I see the candlestick right here and a zipper. So it's matching what these Degens are looking like, staying up late, most likely looking for plays or whatnot. But I like these NFTs. If this is what we got to expect from the NFT section, I like what I see. We got the DegenX NFT project combines art and Degen mentality with our unique and advanced blockchain technology to bring you one-of-a-kind utility NFT experience with different possibilities dependent on NFT level or amount of NFT holding. Most likely, and this is not set in stone, I'm just, speculating myself, most likely the NFTs to do something with the staking, and depending on the rarity of the NFT or the amount of NFTs that you hold, most likely it would implement somehow with the staking and giving you a lot more. Now, this is something that's pretty interesting right here, and I like this because there's nothing like this out there. And when you bring something there's nothing out there like it, you disrupt the market a little bit, right? So we got Clinic. DegenX Clinic will be a real world example for our community to meet in a resort-like environment to recover from other project rug pulls. If not used, it could be rented out and paid off maintenance costs while profits feed our token value. I believe that this will be used. I want to know more about this. I think that, this is something brand new, at least for me. You guys let me know what you guys think about the clinic down below. But I could see this being something that will grow slowly but surely. That's for sure. We got DGNX, your ticket to financial freedom. And who doesn't like the sound of that? We got DGNX. It's a decentralized token that powers and benefits from a unique ecosystem, and that it is. Okay, enjoy an ever-increasing minimum value for your DGNX token, hold your DGNX, and participate in a DAO as part owner of a whole ecosystem. That sounds very exciting. We got DGNX has something for everyone: diamond hand holders, liquidity providers, and anyone looking for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I know I am. Raise your hands, leave some likes, smash the like button. That's your way of raising your hand if you're looking for that opportunity as well. We got DegenX is a blockchain project focused on increasing security and accessibility to DeFi by bringing multi-chain solutions through an innovative ecosystem of decentralized applications developed by in-house devs. Some of the best in the space, especially bringing some of these, this is not just the DGNX token, but this DAO, ecosystem is very impressive, to be honest with you guys, and it's going to be running on Avax. We already know that Avax is going to boom, so we'll do some videos on Avax itself. We got DGNX will launch on multiple chains without increasing the total supply. That's something that I spoke about earlier, something to keep in mind as this one continues to grow. That supply is something you're going to want to keep in mind. We're very early considering the launch is tomorrow. You want to have your Avax ready on the C chain. We got 1% going to the burn, 1% going to marketing, 3% liquidity, 2% backing, 2% going to the development, and 2% investment fund. Okay, I'm gonna leave some meat on the bone for you guys to come over here and read through these tokenomics and understand how they work, as well as, with the 2% going to the backing. I think it's important because we got liquidity backing, breeze of certainty for your peace of mind. Okay, this is how they guarantee it. Backed with Avax for stability. Token can never fall below the floor price. I want you guys to come check this part out. Okay, we got DAO governance. No to CEO, yes to you. Instead of implementing a traditional corporate structure, DegenX operates on principles of a decentralized autonomous organization, aka the DAO, a better way of collaborating for success. I completely agree with the developers on this project. I'm a big advocate of DeFi, and I think this is the way to go. We got DegenX has chosen transparency. DegenX has chosen open communication. DegenX is decentralized finance, DeFi, for everyone. Not only for these token holders, but we're going to see a lot of projects wanting to use some of these products, if not all of them, that DegenX is providing. Now we're going to look at this plan right here. I like what I'm seeing. We're at stage 1. This is how early we are. We're at the private pre-sale launch website dApp We got the DAO, the locker, the staker, DMP. On stage 3, the swap is coming. NFT V2, the bridge is coming on stage 3. The only thing I ask is, so it could be scalable, is we can put phase, stage 1 is quarter 1, quarter 2, just so it could be scalable for those who want to know what's going on. Now the highlights, we got DGNX. It's a unique and powerful ecosystem with the state-of-the-art DeFi utilities. It also a safe haven for investors with tokenomics that provide an ever-increasing price or floor price of a governance token, DGNX. It is our strategic plan that DGNX will first appear on the Avalanche chain through a small private sale, then grow organically with diamond hands and establish ourselves on a strong foundation. Future plan is to launch on multiple chains, along with our in-house bridge developed by our devs. This expansion opens up the possibility for new investors to enter. DegenX will launch a series of utilities and platforms over the coming months. These utilities will automatically, this is important right here, these utilities will automatically and independently generate revenue. Instead of the revenue going into the wallets, all profits will be used for further development and positive price action on DGNX, the governance and utility token of the DegenX project, basically the ecosystem. This is huge right here. I like how they broke it down. If you look at the overall concept, they sound very serious about what they're going to bring to the table. So big shout out to the whole meet the super Degen. So this is the whole community right here. You guys can tap in with them. I'm going to have the official links down below, their Twitter page, their Telegram page that I want you guys to tap in with. If you guys are part of this community, make sure you guys smash this like button. Come over here to the official page as well. Give them a like and retweet everything going on. Make sure this bell notification is lit like that. You guys do not miss out. And make sure you guys come check it, because I have my bell notification lit, and look at that, it was off right now. So come over here, do me a favor and do yourself a favor. If you're bullish on this project, come over here, like and retweet everything going on. Make the YouTube algorithm push this video out by, leaving some comments down below, smashing the like button. Let's start the cross-pollination by putting this video in the Avax communities. And when these other utilities come out on different chains, we'll get some videos out as well over there. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.